I won't sit here and say I'm the world's best mechanic. You'll never hear me say that. But I will tell you, I can fix things in a pinch and I can diagnose just about anything. Quick little tip, I was having a P0304 on this 2008 Chevy Silverado. As you guys know, the AFM DOD bullcrap that they put on anything after 07, everybody always worries it's going to be lifter failure. And I had P0304, which is cylinder 4 misfire, which is one of those ones that activates when it goes into the 4-cylinder economy gas saver. If I wanted to save gas, I'd have bought a Prius. Wouldn't have bought a truck. Worst design ever, and I love Chevys. Everything 07 and below I enjoy. These I don't. I just got it as a little storage unit buying truck, and it was a good deal. But anyway, cut to the chase. If you guys need to know how to narrow out some things, you know, coil packs, spark plugs, fuel injectors, and then if it's none of those, well, then it's likely your dreaded DOD AFM problem. But nonetheless, swapped a few coil packs around just to make sure it wasn't that. Then what I did is I went ahead and I'll go ahead and cut this off for right now. I went ahead and swapped some, I took some plugs out, changed the plugs, swapped some spark plugs around. Wasn't that, spark plug wires, I mean. And I was like, what the heck could it be? So I brought out the stethoscope. I'm no doctor, you know, but if you want to hear a fuel injector really quick, really easy, you get one of these, or you could have a long screwdriver, however you want to do it. And what you'll actually do is you'll stick it right at the base of the fuel injector, and you should hear it pulsing. If you don't hear a pulse, then you know you likely are having a fuel injector problem. You should hear a steady pulse, and if you don't, well, then you're gonna have to go ahead and dive a little deeper into that. But I was just trying to save you guys some time, maybe give you some pointers, some tricks, tips. Internet is a great thing, and it's always nice to hear what other people have to say as far as some diagnosis. I did hear some other people say, if you are having that issue and it is your lifter, a quick way to throw a code that actually disables that AFM DOD. You can actually undo this master brake sensor here, and somehow that actually disables it going into 4-cylinder mode, from what I understand. Obviously the best way to delete it is to delete it. Break down the engine, but you know, that'll work in a pinch.